wouldn't it be nice if you could move the machine manually in the middle of a running program? The use case that I find myself in all the time is on tool changes. Say that I have one op and then like a reaming op and then a third op. And like maybe I forget to measure the ream correctly, or I swapped it out, or I broke the ream and did not measure the new install. So it's the wrong length, or it won't fit. Like when I raise the spindle, if I don't raise it all the way to G30, I might not have enough room to tuck it into the collet. I often don't use G30 to save time. I'll only rise 1 or 2 inches, just enough to get the new tool in, just to save time. And I'm going to show you an example of what I mean. So watch this. We're going to do just a real quick cycle with tool 1, and then 5/16 is my 5/16 ream, and then 125 is my 1/8 end mill. And I'll show you what I mean here. Okay, so now it's calling for my ream, right? This is, where is it? This is my 5/16, and it's not gonna fit. I didn't give myself enough room, right? So normally, if you can still hear me, normally the only thing I would be able to do is I would have to stop the program and start all over. And yes, PathPilot does support restarting mid-cycle, but sometimes that's finicky. Sometimes you just don't want to do that. So I can't jog. We all know that we can't jog mid-program, right? Because it's in the middle of a cycle. So watch this. M6 recover. This is a map of your x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. It's kind of like a pendant. And this is going to allow me to move in any direction. So I can actually go up to, well, let me show you this first. I can move to the right 1 inch. And I can just keep going. I can do right 0.1, or sorry, left 1. I can do Y. I can turn the spindle on. And I can do custom commands too. But for this specifically, I want to raise up just enough to get my reamer in. I've got it set slow right now as I still test, but that can be changed to anything. So that should be enough. And then I can go back to whatever I want. And kind of the idea here is, since the tool lengths are wrong, I can do custom moves. I can perform this reaming operation inside the program, and that's what's critical here. It's inside the program. And I can do a custom reaming op, so turn the spindle on, move the ream over the hole and down, and because I can control it through a pseudo MDI line, it will be exact. There won't be any guesswork. And then when I'm done, I can G30, take the tool out, click done. We go back to my the ream call. We'll leave the tool out of it. Just let it do its thing. And we're just air cutting. And then you get the 125 call, and you can put tool 125 in, and just continue on. Another thing that I have are save game checkpoints, as I'm calling them. And I'm going to make a third video for that, so I will be right back.